Many beginners think Google Ads fail because of the budget, but often it's the ad copy. In this video, I show you how to write simple, effective Google Ads as a beginner. Hi, I'm Jasmin, and today we focus on writing Google search ads that are clear, relevant, and actually get clicks without fancy marketing language. So we're starting directly inside Google Ads. So first, what makes a Google ad good? A good Google ad does three things. It matches what the user is searching for, it clearly explains the benefit, and it tells the user what to do next. So your ad doesn't need to be very creative and fancy. Most important is the clarity. Before writing ads, you must understand why someone is searching. I give you an example. So let's say you are a gym in Melbourne and you are creating a search ad. If the user searches for Gym Melbourne, they want a gym near them with clear pricing or access. So your ad should answer that immediately. So let's say these are your keywords. I didn't do a keyword research, just an example for this tutorial. Let's start with the headlines actually here. So headlines are the first thing people see. They should be simple and relevant. A rule for beginner. Use keywords, use location if relevant, and use clear benefits. I usually fill out all 15 headlines, and in the first, let's say 3 to 5 headlines, I would include the keywords we are using for this ad group to make the ad very relevant. For example, we can include 24/7 gym in Melbourne, or affordable gym membership, train anytime near you, no login gym membership, or best gym Melbourne. And you can see that here some of the keywords we have for this ad group are included. So it should be like that. In the next 5 headlines, I would include a clear benefit or a USP of the product. For example, we could enter something like that, professional gym equipment. And last, I would add some headlines with a clear call to action. For example, start your fitness journey now. So make sure that the headlines directly match what the user is searching for. Now we're coming to the descriptions which support the headlines. Description should explain why someone should click. As a simple structure, explain what you offer, why it's good, and what to do next. You can see here that Google gives you already some ideas of descriptions, but I wouldn't recommend just copying them. You can definitely write some better descriptions. To save us some time, I already filled out the descriptions. So here you can say that we have explained what we are offering and why it's good. So short, clear sentences work the best. Actually, Google Ads mixes headlines and descriptions automatically. So here on the right, you see a preview how your search ad will look like. So here you can see the headline and then our description. Yeah, and here you find another variant. So your goal should be giving Google clear, relevant options, and you should avoid repeating the same message. To make the responsible search ad even better, you can add the ad extensions, for example, site links and structured snippets, but I explained that in my previous video, so if you're interested in that, you can check out this video. And one more important thing, ideally your ad copy is matching the information on your landing page. So you can include some slogans or keyword which appear on your landing page in your ad copy. So you can just go to your landing page and check the landing page out for some important messages. As well, AI like ChatGPT or Gemini can help you with writing effective ad copy. I wouldn't recommend to copy their suggestions exactly, but you can definitely use AI as a help or as an inspiration. If you want to know more, comment this video and I will send you my prompt to write a good ad copy. When writing ad copy, you should avoid common beginner mistakes. For example, being too generic, like best gym ever. This is too broad and generic. Using buzzwords instead of benefits, not mentioning the location, and writing ads that don't match the keyword. This is very, very bad. And trying to be super clever and creative instead of being clear. The ad copy is not about so much creativity, it's about clear messages. Yeah, so think about that Google Ads is not a branding, it's a problem solution. So the simple beginner formula is keyword plus benefit plus trust and you can include a call to action. So for example, if you have Gym Melbourne, 24/7 access, no login, start your journey now, you are good. So as a quick recap, effective Google Ads for beginners are clear, relevant, benefit focused, and easy to understand. You don't need perfect ads, but you need honest and simple ones. If this video helped you to understand how to write simple and effective Google Ads as a beginner, feel free to subscribe for weekly beginner-friendly tutorials. And if you ever need help with your Google Ads, my Calendly link is in the video description.